Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So you want to create a public profile to start posting spotlights and things like that, but you don't know how to do it. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. First things first, you're going to want to make sure that your Snapchat app is all the way updated. And then once you do that, you can just head straight over this Snapchat app. So once you earn this Snapchat app, you'll be brought to this page here. And from here, you'll want to click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Once you click on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, it'll bring you to this page right here that shows your profiles. Now you usually to create a public profile, if you just scroll down there should be an option right here in the public profile subsection that says create public profile. However, you might not be able to see it for a couple of reasons. But the first reason that you might not able to find it is because your account is on private. So what you want to do is you want to click on the settings icon in the top. And once you do that, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the option privacy controls. You're just going to want to go through all these options and change it to everyone or any available option that should not make your profile private. So you have to turn up ghost mode for your last or your active location. And then once you do that, you have to go to view my story and choose appropriate option. Once you do that, you have to go to contact me and do everyone. And you just get to use it through all of this. And make sure that all of them are turned to everyone or that option which does not restrict your account to private. So once you do that, it will make your account completely public. So then you should be able to create a public profile. But once you did everything, you're going to want to go back here. Now, if you still can't see the create public profile option on your account, it might be due to underage. If it's under 18, then you won't be able to create a public profile. So what I suggest doing, if that's a problem, just create a new account just for our public profile and then put it the age of 18. But once you do that, you'll be able to create a public profile as well. And once you have done, you can just go ahead and click the create profile option. If you click on the create public profile option, it will bring you to the page where asking you if you want to do all this and then build your public profile. You just have to follow the steps and you will be able to make a public profile on Snapchat. So that's basically how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.